Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice daily.
How do you usually practice?
I watch English videos online.
Try describing your day in English before you sleep. This helps both speaking and thinking.
Can you recommend me a channel?
Fire English.
Great! I'll check it out.
It is very good for beginners.
Do they speak slowly?
Yes, very slowly and clearly.
Do you speak English with your friends?
Sometimes, when I can.
Let's practice together sometime.
I'd love that.
We will improve together.
Yes, we will.
1 hour of practice every day is very powerful. Small daily effort brings big results.
Do you want to go for a walk?
That sounds nice.
We can go to the park nearby.
Yes, the weather is perfect for that.
We can relax and talk there.
And maybe take some photos.
Good idea. I'll bring my camera.
And we can have lunch too.
Sure, I'll bring some money.
Fantastic!
What time should we meet?
How about 3 p.m.?
Do you want to improve your vocabulary? Learn one new word today and use it in your own sentences.
3 p.m. works for me.
Great! Then it is settled.
I'll see you then.
Okay, see you soon.
Hi, please place your items here.
Sure, here you go.
Did you get everything you need?
Yes, I found all I needed.
Great! Do you have a coupon?
Yes, I do.
May I scan it?
Of course. Here you go.
Do you feel you have no one to talk to in English? Then talk to yourself. You can be your own English-speaking partner.
Thanks. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
All right. Your total is $50.
Is that with the coupon discount?
Yes, it is.
Awesome.
And how would you like to pay?
I'll use my phone.
How's your family doing?
Everyone's doing well.
Glad to hear that.
How about yours?
Are you making the same mistakes again and again? That means you are learning. Slowly, those mistakes will go away. Don't worry about them now.
They're all fine too.
I'm happy to hear that.
Say hello to Mr. Jack for me.
Sure, I will.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
No problem at all.
And how is your sister doing these days?
She's doing quite well.
That's great to hear.
She actually got a new job just yesterday.
Wow, I'm very happy for her.
Thank you so much.
When learning English, don't try to understand every single word. Focus on the main idea first, and the details will follow later.
Hello, I have an appointment today.
Sure. What's your name, please?
It's Chris.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
Has the doctor arrived?
Yes, please come in.
Thank you.
Can you tell me what's wrong?
I have a mild headache.
How long has it been bothering you?
Do you want to learn English faster? Try to give at least 1 hour every day for practice. Daily practice makes a big difference.
For 2 days.
Any other symptoms like fever or cold?
No, I only have a headache.
All right. I've prescribed some medicine for your